Dental problems and tooth decay are one of the most common issues that we see in practice as vets. And it's really frustrating because all these problems are completely preventable with good home care. And that can involve brushing your animal's teeth, which is obviously time consuming but is by far the best way of keeping them clean, to feeding them special biscuits or chews which can help also scrape the teeth clean of the tartar. But what we're going to do today, with the help of TC, is we're going to show you how to brush your cat's teeth at home. And hopefully once you know how to do it, you'll feel more confident in giving it a go. So these are the basic tools that you're going to need to be able to keep your cat's teeth clean. These have come out of a little packet set, generally available from your vets or maybe some of the larger pet stores. The first thing is we've got the toothpaste. For cats, this one is fish flavoured, they're often chicken or beef, so don't expect it to smell minty. Cats don't like minty flavour and we don't like fish flavour, so this is their toothpaste. You'll notice that it says on here enzymatic, and what that means is this toothpaste is quite active on its own. Think of it like a cross between a toothpaste and a mouthwash. Just getting this paste into your cat's mouth will really help because it is able to break down the plaque and the bacteria on its own. But it works a lot better if you can brush it as well. The other thing to mention about this toothpaste is it doesn't foam like our toothpaste does. So when you're brushing the cat's teeth, don't expect to get lots of bubbles. The easiest way to have a look in your cat's mouth is to put them on a table like this, or sit them on your knee when you're sitting on the sofa, somewhere where they're at the same height as you. And then come from behind. Cats will find it extremely threatening if you come from the front and try and open their mouths, whereas if you come from behind them, it's not nearly so threatening, and also if they back away, they back into you, so they're still secure. So, lift up your cat's chin with one hand, and then gently, with the other, just lift up the lip. You can see that this quite easily exposes the canine teeth, which are the long teeth at the front. Then, if you move your finger backwards, you can start to expose the molar teeth at the back. TC's teeth aren't too bad, but you can see that there's a little bit of tartar build-up on the back teeth, and also that red line on the gum line is some gingivitis just starting. Okay. So now we're going to start to brush the teeth. One good tip before you do start brushing teeth is get your cat used to the flavour of the toothpaste first. Use it as a treat, encourage them to lick it off your fingers, let them learn that they enjoy the flavour. So when you start to brush their teeth, it's less of a shock and they'll still enjoy it. So first, try if you can to get the canine teeth. Now this is a bit of a fiddle with one person. You may find it easier with an assistant, with one person holding the cat and the other person brushing their teeth. Lift up the lip, get the brush, just gently rub the toothpaste on there. Don't be worried if the gums start to bleed. Think how often our gums bleed when we brush our teeth, and you never know till you spit it out. It doesn't hurt, and it won't hurt your animals either, and you can see that he quite likes the taste of that. So now for the molar teeth. Again, you just need to move your top thumb back a little bit and lift the lip up, and also use your lower hand as well to expose them. And then again, just get the brush and really gently just brush along the line of the teeth there. You can see again that he's accepting this really well. Right, let's do it with a finger brush. This is a finger brush and they're fantastic. You can use the toothbrushes, but a lot of cats and dogs as well don't like it if you come at their faces with what is essentially a stick, whereas this is a lot less threatening. It simply slots over your finger like this. You put the toothpaste on the bristles here and then rub it along your cat's or dog's teeth. It means that you can get that rubbing action quite easily without them being worried, and it's also easier to manipulate your finger than it is a brush. Just rub gently along the line of the teeth. You do sometimes have to be aware it's a moving target. And you see here there is a little bit of blood on this finger brush, but don't worry, again, it's not hurting him. Just slightly sore gums do bleed, and you can see there that his gums were a little bit sore. And this is an applicator nozzle for the toothbrush, for the toothpaste. If your cat doesn't like having its teeth brushed, you can screw this onto the top of the toothpaste and use it to directly introduce the toothpaste into the mouth along the gum line. Again, because this toothpaste is enzymatic, simply getting it into the mouth will help. Ideally, you should be brushing your pet's teeth at least once a day, like we do with ours. But in a hectic, busy lifestyle, it's not always practical. Aim for at least every other day or every third day. And on the days in between, you can give them chews or special teeth cleaning biscuits to help keep the teeth clean.